Understanding the phrase, on a low flame, an English learning guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase in English, on a low flame. This phrase is often used in cooking contexts, but it also has metaphorical meanings in everyday language. Let's dive in and understand its various uses and nuances. On a low flame refers to cooking something at a low temperature. When we cook on a low flame, we are using minimal heat to slowly cook the food. This method is often used for dishes that need to simmer and develop flavors over time, like stews or sauces. It's a gentle cooking method that prevents burning or overcooking. Beyond the kitchen, on a low flame can be used metaphorically. It describes situations that are progressing slowly or with minimal intensity. For example, if a project is on a low flame, it's moving forward but not rapidly. This phrase can convey patience, steadiness, or a need for more attention or energy. Let's look at some examples. 1. Cooking. Keep the soup on a low flame until it thickens. 2. Metaphorical. Our marketing campaign is currently on a low flame, but we plan to ramp up soon. These examples show how the phrase can be versatile in different contexts. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, on a low flame, in both its literal and metaphorical senses. Remember, language is like a dish. It's all about how you use the ingredients. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.